going on, everyone? It's Chris. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be going over candlesticks and also trends. So let's jump over into the charts. So now that we're over here on the charts, I want to break down to y'all what are candlesticks. Whenever you're first starting out, your candlesticks are going to look a little something like this. You're going to have this big box, which is called the body. So right here, body. And then you're going to have a wick coming out and a wick coming down. So on a bullish candlestick, which is what this is, this is letting us know that price is moving up. So what are these wicks? So whenever a bullish candlestick opens, this is going to be where it opens. So right here at the very bottom of the body is where the candle opened. So the candle opened here, and at the very top of this body is where the candle closed. So we know so far a bullish candle has this as the body. On a bullish candlestick, price opens right here at the bottom of the body and it closes right there at the top of the body. Okay, well what are these? What are these wicks coming out of it? So that is telling us that price wanted to come all the way up to here. So that means this candle on, let's say for example, the 1 minute time frame, this candlestick represents 1 minute of price action. So within that 1 minute, price, this candlestick was all the way up to here at one point. So we know that price came here at one point. And at the bottom, we know that price moved down to this level at one point. We know that price moved down to here at one point. Same thing with this red candle over here. It is backwards. So this red candle represents a bearish candle. What does bearish mean? Bearish means price is going down. And on bullish, we know that price is going up. So, what do we know? What is this called? The body. So we know that this is the body of a bearish candlestick. Although on the bullish candlestick, we know that price opened at the bottom and closed at the top. On a bearish candlestick, when price is going down, that means that price opens right here at the top and price closes at the bottom. Again, with these wicks here, we know that price, whenever price opened here, we know that price got all the way up to here. We know that price in this 1 minute came to here at one point. Again, with this candle right here on this wick, we know that price in that 1 minute time frame came to here. So with a bullish and a bearish candlestick, now you know if it's bullish, we know price is going up. If it's bearish, we know price is going down. On a bullish candlestick, we know that this is the body. This is where it opened. This is where the candle closed. And with the wicks, we know that in that whatever time frame candlesticks that you're looking at, we know in that amount of time, at one point price came all the way up to here, or price came all the way down to here. And we've also learned bearish candlesticks. We know if it's bearish, price is going down. So on this bearish candlestick, we see the body. We see that price opened here because it is coming down. And we see that price closed here. Again, in that 1 minute time frame, we know that with these long wicks here, that price at some point came all the way up and touched this level, or price came all the way to here and touched this level. So, now that we know what candlesticks are, we are going to move over to trends. Okay, you might be asking, what are trends? What are trends? You might be asking yourself, what are trends? Trends are the direction that price is moving. So we know trends are the direction that price is moving. So there are two types of trends. There are uptrends and there are downtrends. On an uptrend, we know that price is going to be bullish. On a downtrend, we know that price is going to be bearish. So when you have an uptrend is a lot of bullish candlesticks. So whenever you're starting out, if your colors are going to be, well, your colors are going to look like this. So you have these bearish candlesticks. So you have these bullish candlesticks, right? And with these bullish candlesticks, price is moving like this. So, in an uptrend, you have all of these bullish candlesticks moving in a upward direction. So, price is going up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So with this being said, these tops of these candlesticks that you're seeing right here, these are called highs. And in the direction of an uptrend, with these highs, you are also going to have wicks at the bottoms of these candlesticks. These here are called lows. So with that in mind, on an uptrend, you are getting these highs right here, but every time market moves, it is creating a new high. So it is creating higher highs and higher lows. So there's a low here, and then price moves, and the low is higher than the previous one, so it's a higher low. So you know in an uptrend, price is making higher highs and higher lows. Prices making higher highs and higher lows. Same thing when it comes to a downtrend, although it is again flipped. So when you have a downtrend, you're going to see these red candlesticks moving in a downward position. Same thing here, but just with selling candles. Again, you're going to have these wicks. So on a bearish downtrend, right, you see price is creating these highs. And then price is also creating these lows. On a downtrend, price is going to be going in a downward direction. What does that mean? That means price is going here and down, up, down, up, down. So we know that price is creating these highs and it's creating these lows. But price is also creating lower highs and lower lows. So there's a high here in this 1 minute of price action, and then market opens here and it comes lower, creating this high here, but this high is lower than this previous high. Again, with the lows, it is also creating a lower low. So there's a low here, there's a low here, and there's a low here. So we see that price is continuing to make these lows lower than the previous one. So we know that on a downtrend, price is going to be making lower highs and lower lows. Price is making lower highs and lower lows. So now y'all are aware of what trends are and the direction that price is moving. Y'all see that on trends, on a bullish uptrend, price is going to be moving in an upward direction, creating higher highs and higher lows. We have also learned on a bearish downtrend, price is going to be moving in a downward direction, creating lower highs and lower lows. Now we're going to be jumping into how you can actually see these trends on a live market. Okay, so now that we're on the charts, it's gonna look a bit scary right now, only due to the fact that I have different indicators and stuff like that we will learn about in a different video. But like I said, here, let me change my colors to what you would normally see. Okay, so now you are able to see a little bit better what I am talking about. So let's say here, for example, right here, price is moving and creating lower highs and lower lows, right? So we know that right here we are in a what? We are in a downtrend. We know that we are in a downtrend here because we are creating these lower highs and we are creating these lower lows here. Okay, so keep that in mind. That is a downtrend. Now, if we scroll over here, let's see if we can find us an uptrend. This is a perfect example. Right here. Price is moving upwards, so we are bullish. Price is moving up, coming down, moving up, coming down, and moving up and coming down, right? So price is creating higher highs and higher lows. As you can see here, price is moving up, is creating these highs, and price is creating these lows. Price moves up again, creating these highs and creating these lows. So we are constantly getting higher highs and higher lows. We know that we are moving in a what? We know that we are moving in a uptrend. After watching this video and learning about candlesticks and learning also about uptrends and downtrends, now the homework for you, I want you to go into the market and I want you to find 3 uptrends and I want you to find 3 downtrends. Again, guys, this is the entirety of this video. I just wanted to teach y'all exactly what bullish and bearish candlesticks are and what up and down trends are. So I will be coming out with, almost make this a series where I go over different topics in the market to help y'all learn everything that you need to hopefully become profitable. See y'all in the next one. Peace out.